Welcome to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence and its growing impact on our daily lives. From the smart assistants in our homes to the algorithms that shape our social media feeds, AI is everywhere, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play. But what exactly is AI and how does it work? In simple terms, AI refers to machines or software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. As we embark on this exciting journey, we'll explore some of the latest developments in AI, including Apple's new initiative to make AI training accessible for everyone and the controversial use of AI by the NYPD to detect gunfire. So buckle up and get ready to delve into the fascinating world of AI. And don't forget, if you enjoy our content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news and insights. Let's get started. As we wrap up our exploration of AI's role, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications and future innovations. AI is a transformative technology that can redefine industries and lifestyles. But with great power comes great responsibility. Bias in AI algorithms is a pressing ethical concern. These systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. Biased data can lead to unfair treatment in hiring, law enforcement, and medical care. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI development is paramount. AI is driving groundbreaking innovations that benefit humanity. From climate change modeling to personalized education, AI opens new doors. Balancing innovation with ethical responsibility is key. It requires collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.